Hey there everyone, Josh Freeman, and today I'm doing a quick review of this Hertzko self-cleaning slicker brush with my dog Coney here. He's an Australian Shepherd, and this was actually the brush that we were previously using, so a little comparison side by side here. This one obviously has a much larger surface area, and this previous one I would poke myself almost every single time, guaranteed, with the little slickers that were getting the hair out. So definitely wanted to upgrade from this, and he has just gotten a lot bigger since we initially bought this when he was a puppy. So we needed something a little bit better, so let's see how this new one works out. All right, so just first examination, first impression is much better already. Like I said, they have a bigger surface area, and it has this button on the back, as you can see right here, and this is how you use it. So you just push it in, and the bristles come out, and when you push it back out, it gets all the hair off. So you can retract it and have them come out, so super convenient, and I'm sure this is gonna cut down my brushing time in half, so let's see how Coney likes it. Ooh, so overdue. So I can already tell this is going so much quicker than it normally does. Just the ability to press this button quickly and get rid of that hair. Previously, having to pick it all out individually was just such a hassle. So already a vast improvement just from having to get the hair out alone. That consumes so much time because you build up so much hair, right? And you spend half the time taking it out because obviously you can't keep going if you have hair in the brush because you're not going to be able to get much out if it's all clogged up. So just the ability to drop it off and keep moving without even catching a break. I'm going to get tired before I'm done brushing more than anything. Yeah, Coney always comes running to me whenever it's time to brush him. He can't wait to get all of this fur off, I'm sure. It's always nice to brush Coney. He loves it, and he just looks so much better. His coat looks so much just sheen and just very glossy and like just really well maintained. Oh my gosh, look at this one. He's been needing this. So if you are getting a puppy and you're looking at brushes right now on Amazon or wherever you're looking, I would definitely recommend making this like a very frequent action that you do, so that way you have a dog like Kona who loves it and comes running every single time. I just pull out the brush. All he has to do is see the brush, and he knows he comes right to me and will lay down just like this comfortably, so you're not fighting the dog the whole time you're brushing them. So definitely make this a habit, especially with a very nice brush like this Hertzko one. Love this brush. Oh, that's the spot, huh, Coney? Oh yeah. Oh, this is so good. You love it. Okay. So if you didn't know, this is also a tutorial on how to grow a second dog. So here we have, no, I'm kidding. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is a great brush and a major upgrade from my previous one. So happy and easy to recommend this brush. That's it. Thanks for watching.